Child, I have not vlogged in forever. Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? I'm on my cell phone because I didn't feel like bringing my. We started off rough. I didn't feel like bringing my vlogging camera. Bro, I am so tired. My parents are coming on Thursday. Today is Monday. My parents are coming on Thursday, and I think any black person, once somebody's coming to your house, you gotta clean your house like you never cleaned it before. So I'm organizing. I cleaned up the entire fridge today. Cleaned the bathroom. I still need to mop the entire house. I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow because I'm tired right now. I'm in the Costco parking lot. I need to get some orange juice. I'm trying to go back to drinking collagen, but this time I'll be drinking like fish collagen. If y'all don't know, I'm pescatarian. So I'm starting to go back to like collagen and MSM and just all the things I was doing when I first went on my hair growth journey. Not like I feel like my hair is like stunted or anything like that, but I really enjoy when I was drinking collagen. I feel like it was just a good vibe. So I'm going back to that. So I need orange juice, and Costco usually has like the 4 for like $9 or something now. Something like that. So I came over here. I'm probably gonna get pizza because why not? I deserve. So I'm just gonna take y'all throughout the entire process, this entire week. We're gonna do all this stuff together. So let's get it started. Deadass. I'm gonna probably cancel my Costco membership just because the prices in here are just like crazy. Like, why am I paying $9 for grapes? Like, that's not happening, bro. That's not in the budget. Just get my orange juice and go. I was trying to get fruit, but I was like, I can't afford fruit. Not in Costco. We're going to Aldi, baby. Ooh, these are the wealthy up in here. Let's try this. Look at these prices. Now I'm here at Home Goods and TJ Maxx. They're like next to each other, and I honestly can't remember which store I got the thing that I want from. I think it was TJ Maxx. Was it TJ Maxx? Well, it was TJ Maxx. They have more kitchen things, right? I don't remember. This is not really what I came in here for, but every time I make pancakes, I have like this small whole skillet. So I want something better. Can I make pancakes in this? Clearly not a cook. Maybe I should wait for my mom to come so she can pick it out, because I'm a baby. I am practically 30 years old and I cannot make a decision without my mommy. Thumbs up this video if you agree. Ooh, okay, you better hit me with a light. I went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx. They had what I wanted in terms of like the containers, but they didn't have the right size. I want just a cute little size to hold my collagen and my MSM. And they had the ones for like the rice, the pastas. I'll have to go to my favorite Home Goods, but I think I'll wait till my parents come because my mom loves Home Goods. So I think I'm just gonna wait. If I happen across one, I'll go in, but I prefer the one in Bayonne. The Union is so whack to me, but it was close to the Costco. So I'm just gonna go to Aldi now. Child, I rushed in there. I got here at like 7:50. They closed at 8. I didn't even get a cart. I forgot about a cart. But I'm glad I went in because the eggs were on sale for 93 cents. Usually they're like more expensive than Dollar Tree. Sometimes they're like $1.09. Sometimes it's like $1.50. But today was 93 cents for a dozen. So that's a really good price. Saved 7 cents. And I went at the Dollar Tree. And then the grapes were only 85 cents a pound, so they were on sale too. So I got 2 pounds of grapes for less than $2, bro. Like a freaking steal. And the pineapples were actually 89 cents. So like one of my friends, Michelle, put me on to Aldi. Like I never shopped at Aldi. And I don't buy everything here, but like the produce, you can get a really good price and the quality is comparable to like anywhere else. Don't freaking sleep on Aldi. Get all your not all your canned goods, but this is a good place to get canned goods as well. Like the pineapple is just way cheaper than Walmart, and I love Walmart, but you know, gotta go where the deals are. So yeah, I spent like, with all the things I got, which was like a good bit, I spent like $8. So cha-ching. Anyway, I'm going home now. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning. So I just got my feet and my nails done. I don't get anything fancy. I just always get a nice bright color and some glitter. I want acrylic because I miss my whole nails, but they just really thin my nails out. But I also got my eyebrows waxed for the first time since I got them microbladed back in May. And the difference, because I was not really liking how my eyebrows were looking, and I felt like a little bit of regret, but I just literally needed to get my eyebrows arched. Like I try to do it myself, but there's nothing like having an esthetician do your brows, because right now I'm loving them again. Like they look so freaking good now. Praise be. So I'm going back to her because sis took her time, it didn't hurt, so I'll do that. It's Divine Envy in Hillside, New Jersey. It's black owned, love supporting them. But now it's time for me to go and wash my hair, y'all. Woo! I'm gonna wash my hair for these braids tomorrow. I don't feel like washing my hair, but I have to, and I feel like I need to film it because I have no content. I don't feel like filming because no one cares about natural hair content. Like, what's up with that? Y'all don't like natural hair content no more? Because the natural hair content is flopping, or it's doing just as good as fashion content, and fashion isn't my niche. Like, what's going on? Y'all tell me. Y'all not into natural hair no more, because my natural hair about to be my business. Because no one cares. Like, y'all outside or something? What y'all doing that y'all not watching YouTube? It's cool, like everybody has their time, but the natural hair content is just not doing well. Like, I used to easily get 10K on a wash day. I'm struggling to 7K now. Like, good morning, y'all. It is mad early. It's 7:30. I left the house at 7. I'm on my way to Brooklyn. I'm getting my hair braided today. I'm driving myself. Haven't been lost yet, but you know, the journey has just begun. I'm waiting in line, I guess, to go through the Holland Avenue, the Holland Tunnel. It says it's going to take 48 minutes from now to get there. I didn't realize this place was so far. Like, I thought she was like a cool little 40 minutes. I didn't know she was over an hour away, but her work is good and she's affordable. So yeah, let me stop talking because I don't want to die. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Gotta level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Level up.
I'm here. I didn't get lost at all. It was actually pretty good. It was pretty easy. Maybe I can drive in New York. I'm actually 45 minutes early. I left home early because I know like there could be traffic, there could be an accident, I could get lost. So now I'm mad early. So I did get a egg and cheese hero from the bodega. You can't come to New York without getting something from the bodega. This used to be $3. It's $4 now. But times have changed. So I'm gonna eat this and then we'll get on to my appointment.
Level up, ayy. Gotta level. Blessings on blessings, won't he do it? No matter what, I gotta keep it moving. Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Level up, ayy. Gotta level. I'm headed straight to Mars. No roof on the what you hating for? I be on my grind, that's a hundo. Yeah, you see me ballin', raise your rondo. Ay, ay, I 80 on the front, ladies on the arm, and need the Gucci of a tongue. I pulled them with the chalk, started from the bottom, now we lit. And I'm all rough beginning, I'll never forget, but I had to level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, gotta level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, level up, ay, gotta level. Blessings on blessings, won't he do it?
Rona. It's time to go pick up my parents. I've cleaned the house. Well, cleaned again. So I did my sweeping. I cleaned my studio. I mopped the entire house. I, wiped down the bathrooms. Everything is clean. You gotta make sure things are clean for Caribbean parents. My mom says she doesn't care, but so I'm gonna pick them up. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got my people. Here's y'all's favorite right here. I'm back. And this is my daddy. Say hi.
Hi.
He's also hi. He's the grumpy one. So we're in Walmart. They're gonna get a few things before we go home. A few groceries, because if y'all don't know, I never have anything in my fridge. I'm fat just because. So, yeah. Why is it so hot? So this is the next day. We didn't do much after Walmart. We just hung out and talked and stuff like that. It was really nothing to share. My dad got to see my apartment because y'all know my mom was here back in February. So he got to see it. He likes it. Ain't got nothing in there though. We still haven't done any major decorating, but the house is very well organized, I must say. So today they're dragging me out of the house because they want to go to Ross. My parents do not bang with TJ Maxx. They do not bang with Marshalls. It is Ross or nothing. So we're going to Ross today, which is an hour away. There's like no Ross close to me. We're driving an hour just to go to Ross. What seems like 2 years later, we've made it to Ross Dress for Less. Well, that was a fail. There was nothing in there for my parents. My dad was super disappointed. They ended up getting like one thing, which is like this elephant figurine. He collects elephants and he usually gets them from Ross. Unless I buy them, when I travel outside the country. Haven't done that in a while. Fail, y'all. I did find some wall decor, but y'all told me on Instagram it was ugly, so I left it there. Haters. But we're gonna try to go to another Ross. We drove an hour for this, so hopefully we find something in the next Ross. I'm hoping. So we'll see. Ross number 2. Hopefully my dad has more luck. Hopefully third time's the charm. This is our third Ross. I'm hoping that he'll be able to find what he wants. I got some of the good things in the last one. I'll show y'all when I get home. But my dad, I'm sweating because I'm dying. I'm sick again. I was just sick a few weeks ago, now I'm sick again. But my dad is helping me with some projects today, so that's what we're doing today. So we're at Home Depot. We're not recording. We're getting some stuff to reinforce my bed. How my bed is set up right now is just not enough to support my big ass. So we're getting some pieces my dad can reinforce the bed. Because right now we're actually sleeping on the floor because the bed broke. So if you get a nice looking bed and it's not sturdy enough, just add some wood pieces. So that's what we're doing. So we're at Home Depot. We're also getting some other things. I want to add like a coat rack in my entryway. I want to put some screws into my bed, just some home improvement things. If y'all don't know, my dad is a carpenter, so we're doing some home improvement things while he's here. Look at me. Y'all pray for me. Hopefully this is the end of my sickness and I'll be okay. So that's what we're doing today.
From From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing. Stacks and in up in it, big bouncing. We getting lit up in it, big. From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big.
It has been a long day, y'all. We are currently in Michael's. I need to get some frames to frame, I guess, my paintings that I purchased, that Richmond purchased when he was in Ghana before he came to the States, and they've just been rolled up. So it's time to put them up. I'm gonna put them up in my office. Since Dad is here, he can put them up for me. So I need to figure out what type of frames I'm gonna get. So Michael's was way too expensive. Those frames were like $40 each. Even with the sale, a $20 frame, it's actually pretty affordable.
Your destination is on the right.
IKEA has frames for like $10. So you really can't beat that.
Keep a baddie on the side with him. She dropped the top, but she ride with him. Middle December, it feel like July. When you out in Dubai, 10 will be 2, yeah, the guys have to slide. Checking the bag on.
I actually have a vlogging camera, but I'm somehow determined to use the front-facing camera on my iPhone 12, yes, which isn't that great, but it is what it is. We're home now. We got home not too long ago. I ordered some pizza, so I just ate that. Right now, I'm planning the itinerary to Philadelphia. We're going to 4 different states while they're here. Well, I guess New York will be 5. So we're going to Connecticut, Delaware, Philadelphia, or Pennsylvania, the District of Columbia, which isn't a state, whatever, and we're going to New York. My parents haven't been to most of these places, so that's going to be exciting. But usually I plan way in advance, like weeks in advance, but I've been sick, I've been dying, so this is kind of what I have to do the day before. And what I'm just going to determine is where we're going and what we're going to eat. Just because I like to plan in advance, just because things can go wrong. It's a day trip. We're doing day trips in all these places besides New York. New York is going to be an extended stay because we have family in New York. But anyway, so I figure out we're kind of going to a few sites. You know, there's like a few main Philadelphia sites, and that you'll get to see that. I may do that in a different vlog. I probably will do that. And I'm gonna try to find a vegan cheesesteak. You know, cheesesteaks are really popular in Philadelphia, but if y'all don't know, I'm pescatarian and my parents are Rastafarian. So my mom does eat fish, my dad doesn't eat fish. So I'm trying to find some place that we can get a vegan cheesesteak, like the top one in the city. So that's what I'm doing now. When I've done this, I'll actually show you my Ross haul, so we can just end this vlog out because I haven't done that. I'm kind of cut off, but it's okay. It's a good haul. So the first thing I got was this like bust to put necklaces on. Looking like that. It was like $3. Yeah, $4. So I got that. This to put my bracelets on, my watches, stuff like that. Really affordable. I got this for my office, like for decor. It's a camera. I do YouTube for me. So I got that. I got this paper towel holder because I kind of want to revamp my bathroom a little bit. You probably saw a little bit of that with my dad, so I'm gonna have this to hold paper towel. I also got this desk organizer. Just so I can elevate my iMac a little bit, and I can also put my hard drives and stuff. Keep it pre-organized. And this isn't from Ross. This is from Home Goods. But I also got these canisters to hold like foods and different things. But I'm sweating out here because all I do is sweat because I'm dying. So I'm going to end this vlog right here. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Hope you did, because all this sacrifice. And next time you see us, we will be in Philadelphia. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.